Going to unbox this brand new Radical Firearms AR-15. Radical has been in the market for a little bit. They got some very budget-friendly ARs. This one here happens to be chambered in a 300 blackout. So let's open it up and see what's in the box. So open it up here. We got the AR. Again, this one's chambered in 300 blackout. It's got an M-lock front handguard. Looks like it'd be about a 15-inch handguard there, 16-inch barrel. With some Picatinny rails, quad rails going all the way around it there at the base or at the muzzle. It's got the B5 adjustable stock with the cheek rest right there. It's got the built-in quick attach on the sling, or for the sling on both sides of the stock. And when it comes to the action, not bad. Could use a little polishing, a little cleaning up, but straight out of the box, that's pretty good, pretty smooth for that action. Just an all-in-all, well-rounded, well-put-together gun. Comes with one steel magazine. Just a well-put-together budget firearm. Gets you into the AR world relatively inexpensively. So this again is the Radical Firearms AR-15 chambered in a 300 blackout.